Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Motorola supports USB-C audio or that you have a certified USB-C to 3.5 mm adapter. This matters because not all adapters pass mic/audio signals. Next, plug the earphones firmly into the phone's USB-C port while the screen is on so the phone recognizes the device. Once connected, look for the headphone icon or a notification. If you see it, open your music or call app to verify sound. Make sure volume is up, but start low to protect hearing. Once the phone recognizes the earphones, open settings and navigate to sound or connected devices to confirm output is set to USB audio. This prevents accidental routing to Bluetooth. Then play a test track and use balance controls to ensure both drivers work. For calls, record a short voice memo to check the microphone. If the phone doesn't switch automatically, toggle Bluetooth and restart the music app so the system prioritizes wired output. These steps fix most middle-stage detection issues. To complete the process, confirm call audio and media play consistently, then secure any accessories or cases so the connector sits without strain. Once done, adjust equalizer or accessibility settings to taste and test with actual calls and streaming. If sound is intermittent or mic fails, restart the phone and replug the earphones. This often clears driver detection issues. For persistent problems, clean the port carefully and try a known good adapter or earphones to determine whether the phone or accessory is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.